Number 11A, complete the Venn diagram. Okay, to complete the Venn diagram, first you need to find the intersection. The element, okay, element that you have intersect. So it's E and E, and then G, and then R. Okay, let's put here E, G, R. Okay, so for P, remaining will be A, B, L. For Q is M, O, T, Y. Okay, so A, B, L, okay, M, O, T, Y. So everything included. So your answer. 11B. Shade the region A complement intersect with B. A complement is other than A. So if you were to shade, this is A. So everything here. Okay. So intersect with B. Intersection. Oh, so I need to start again. Sorry. Intersection. So it should be here. Other than A, intersect with B. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.